Hi guys, DT have released this notification for the colleges. This is not for the student, but this is for the colleges. But we will come to know a lot of things from this as an estimate. Alright, so institute are going to conduct for the undergraduate and postgraduate program. This is the letter from DT notice to the colleges. They have to follow the rules of AICTE as applicable for the institute login. So DT is going to follow the AICTE rules which are set. So we'll just go to the rule as well. So all the institute want to check, please check about all these things. They have to submit the documents. So colleges have to submit the document, not for the student. See, first all the colleges who are going to participate, they have to say na ki yeah, we want to participate in the process, this and that. So government resolution, AICTE approval letter, previous academic year intake, affiliation to the board or university intake, all the document. The way you are going to submit your documents for admission to the colleges have to submit the documents for their approval to DT. Yeah, are you getting me? DT is the main body. So we as a student are going to take admission to the colleges via DT. Yeah, to the college. So the way we are going to submit the document, colleges also have to submit their approval documents, yeah, to DT. So that have started. So 5th of August is the date to do that. 5th of August is the date to do that as per the circular for the undergraduate and the postgraduate courses. So all the colleges, Jamnal Bajaj, Sydenham, all of them have to give their approval, yeah, for this program. So now this is not a news for us, but this obviously means that they have rolled the program. तो अपना CET का अभी steps शुरू हो गया है. So colleges have to do the approval and then our login will start in some time. So they have created the login ID for the colleges to update themselves, and then they'll create the login ID for students. Same way DTE maharashtra.government.in, same way they will give us a login ID password as well, where we have to log in as a student. Okay, so this is to be done by August 5th, which is the good news for us that yeah, something is happening from DT front. But the main thing which I liked was that they are following the AIC guidelines. So if they're going to follow the AICTE guidelines, the AIC which have given the dates, DT have to stick to those dates as well. So let's check out those dates as well. So this is a AICTE revised calendar which I've got earlier. So but I was not knowing whether DT is going to follow this or not. But now we have confirmed that DT is going to follow. So grant of affiliation to all these things by August 15 to be done. Completion of the round 1 counselling October 5th. Round 2 counselling 15th October, 20th October. And commencement of classes for the students is around 15th of October. Yeah, for the second year students, 15th of October sounds like a date for that. And this is a cap round 1, 2, 3 ka tentative date. Yeah, for the second year student, classes already started. But for the first year, like our admission process will be done by October. So this is the dates we are looking at here. Yeah, so these are the dates. Most probably DT will follow these dates, so that's why they will have to expedite the process so that everything is done by October. Yeah, अगर अक्टूबर में कैप राउंड होता है, which is a very यार अगस्त तो आ गया अभी यार, even the notification come now for the student, which is going to come after this notification. The process will take another 1 month. तो सितंबर में आके आपके डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन होगा, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन विल बी ऑनलाइन, बिकॉज इवन दिस डॉक्यूमेंट्स द कॉलेजेस हैव टू सबमिट द डॉक्यूमेंट ऑनलाइन. एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग ऑनलाइन नाउ. दैट्स व्हाट इवन आई फील नाउ. या सो सितंबर तो निकल गया पूरा, उसमें निकल जाएगा डॉक्यूमेंट वेरीफाई करने में. अक्टूबर में आके आपके कैप राउंड हो जाएंगे. सो आई एम नाउ लुकिंग एट November 1 एज अ डेट फॉर द कॉलेज टू स्टार्ट. तो यू विल बी वेयरिंग योर फॉर्मल कपड़े and going to college or attend the lecture online depending upon how the coronavirus shape up around November 1. Yeah, how you feel about this? Please do comment. यार कुछ कर नहीं सकते यार, वी हैव नो अदर ऑप्शन यार. कोरोना वायरस आप DT को गाली दे रहे हो, मेरे को गाली दे रहे लोग, तो मैं हम क्या कर सकते हैं यार. इट्स ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ COVID-19. गाली देनी है तो साला चाइना को गाली दो जिसने ये सारा कांड किया है. ठीक है, तो वी हैव टू जस्ट वेट एंड वॉच. लेट्स होप एवरीथिंग इज स्टिक एज टू प्लान. एडमिशन हो जाए यार बस. अभी बच्चों को जो डाउट आया कि सर सारा कैंसिल ना हो जाए यार, DT एक लेटर डाल देगा, सॉरी दिस ईयर ऑल एडमिशन कैंसिल्ड. यार हमारी वार्ड लग जाएगी ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स की. ठीक है, वैसा होगा नहीं, बिकॉज दे आर वर्किंग ऑन दैट. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट, डोंट थिंक एनी नेगेटिव. क्लासेस ऑनलाइन होगा या क्लासरूम में होगा वो हमें डिसाइड करना है, वो गवर्नमेंट को डिसाइड करना है. तब तक आप अपना थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ना स्टार्ट कर दो. स्टार्ट विद योर एक्टिविटीज़ फॉर बिकॉज अभी द मोमेंट यू ज्वाइन द कॉलेज नवंबर में आते ही तुम्हारा समर इंटर्नशिप स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. सो यू हैव टू स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर देम फ्रॉम नाउ ओनली. सो 2 बुक्स आप बस ले लो. फिलिप कॉटलर का मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट या फिलिप कॉटलर मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट बाय फिलिप कॉटलर एंड फाइनेंस फॉर नॉन फाइनेंशियल मैनेजर्स. ये 2 बुक्स कर लो बस. तुम्हारा पूरा MBA का समरी उसमें निकल जाएगा. फाइनेंस फॉर नॉन फाइनेंशियल मैनेजर विच कैन बी बाय एनी ऑथर and this book. These 2 books are more than sufficient. Alright, so it's a welcome news from DT. All the best.